How to scan with Margin Geek. AI plays a powerful role in our wholesale scanner because it unlocks features like matching between different products and converting between different pricing units. This allows you to get a deeper and more complete scan. But in order to use AI, you need to upload clean data. And so our general rule of thumb is if you take the spreadsheet that you upload and you're able to distinguish between similar products, then you're probably good to go. But if you look at the data and let's say one of the products sells based off of a certain color or a certain size, and that size and color are not in the data, and there's no product code to differentiate, then it would be hard for you or the AI to really get an accurate match. So there's not much you can do there except to make sure that any available columns that you have from your supplier are appropriately mapped in our tool. So let's walk through a scan. I have here from a supplier a price list with product descriptions and pricing by the each. And so we'll want to make sure that this is clean data and then save as a CSV. When we save as a CSV, make sure that any UPC data, the numbers remain intact with their leading zeros. Once that's done, then we'll go into our portal. Now, the portal is only accessible if you create an account. It can be a free account, in which case you would go to the dashboard and load a balance, or it can be a subscription account. But you start a scan by creating a name and then uploading a CSV file and selecting your pricing units. In the background, the AI automatically maps your columns. So now that that's available, let's review them. They all look good, except there's no identifier field here, so we can put the inventory ID here. This is like your stock keeping unit to track things. So that looks good, and we can press confirm. I will say, just in general for scans, the product description field and the pricing field, those are the only two that are absolutely required, but there's a lot more that you want to add. So if your pricing units are not by the each and they're by unit of measure, we need that. If you have product codes, it's very helpful to add product codes. It helps with the matching algorithm. So the product code field only takes one code at a time. So prioritize your UPC and your EINs there. But if you have additional codes, you can add them in the product text field, or if they're in the description field, that's fine too. With the additional product text field, you can add either one column in there, or you can use the concat function or the text join function in Excel if you have additional columns that you want to add in. So then you pretty much pick your settings, add in any costs that you have as an Amazon seller, and submit. Then you'll go to the dashboard page, and in 24 hours or so, check, and you should have your results by then. You'll need to review your results, and so I've made a separate video on how to do that. But this is how to scan, and if you want more helpful tips on scanning, there's a blog post that accompanies this video. That'll be posted in the description.